Hi everyone, this is a video on how to put together the Christmas card that you would have received from Claudia and I. You've seen this, you've already scanned the QR code, so there's no point going over that, but this is the envelope essentially you would have received. In it you'll find four things. Two of these wedges of paper, the card, right, which we'll come back to that in a second, and then glue dots. I'm just going to use the tape roll itself, but there'd be a strip of glue dots. The envelope you can just throw away. We're going to focus mainly on this, guys. And the only thing you'd need that we didn't include is if you want to hang it, you'll need a piece of string. Somehow I have a pre-cut one here, but you'll need a piece of string so you can hang it. We'll start with focusing on these two guys. Right, what you'll want to do is just sort of mess a little bit with the way that the fold is, so that it's been in the envelope for a bit, so it might not be even. But once you've done that, you'll see it'll kind of stand on its own, and then you just want to open it a bit. And you can do that by pushing on the center and spreading it. Right, you're going to want them spread out a bit like that. Right, if you're able to do that, you're good. So you want to do that with both. Do the same thing here, just sort of move through the fins a bit so that it's not in any one preferred location. There we go, like that. And then just spread them out a bit, and then enough that you can push in the middle, like that. Right, so now you're good. This is where the glue dots are going to come in, but first, if you decide you want to hang it, you're going to want to poke a hole in one of them. I have a knife, but you can use anything to poke a hole. You're going to want to do a hole in the middle. Right, I didn't do a great job of poking that. And be careful when you do this, obviously, but there you go. So I made a little hole at the top. You want to tie a knot in your string.
1 hour later.
Right, so I have a hole tied in my string, and then it's just a matter of feeding the string itself through the hole you've poked, which, you know, depending on the thickness of your string and your hole, you'll have different results, but there you go. See, so now it's in there and it's through here, and you'll be able to hang it. All right, but that is optional. Don't have to worry about that. What we're going to want to focus on now next is the glue dots. All right, so for the glue dots, you got to pick a half that's going to be at the top and a half that's going to be at the bottom, and then you're going to meet them together, right? So I'm going to put this half at the bottom because I've already put the string on that one. And I'm going to take a glue dot. All right, so here you're going to want to take a glue dot, take it off the paper that it comes in, right? It's not important that it stays a circle, but you essentially want to put a glue dot on each of the faces, right? So it's going to be 16 total, right? And you can also do this if you find the glue dots to be messy. You can also just put a dab of Elmer's glue on each side, right? But you're going to want to go through and put them all on first.
1 hour later.
Okay, so now you can see I've put a glue dot on every one of the faces on the inside, right? And again, we've included glue dots. You can just use some Elmer's glue and just dab a little dot on each one. I prefer that. This was Claudia's idea. So now, what you got to do is take the other half and basically meet them inside of each other, right? So you want to take two faces, line them up with the other two faces, and hold on a second, I accidentally messed up the fold. So you want to take the faces, and again, I think this will be easier with regular glue because you'll have a little bit more working time, but you can put them in like so, and just start meeting them up and pushing them in like that. You know, once you get a couple in, it becomes easier to just start working around and putting them all in, right? Don't want them to go inside of each other. Here we go. Right, so again, once you want to try and keep the glue dots from touching each other, which is why, again, I believe Elmer's glue is easier, right? But once you've gotten a few going, it becomes pretty easy to put them inside of each other, like so, and you may have to align a little bit more, right? Move them around a little. Good thing is that the glue dots are repositionable, but you just want to push them inside of each other, right? And then squeeze, 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 right? And essentially, there you have the ornament, right? There is your origami ornament. If you used regular glue for this, you'll have to hold it together a little bit while the glue dries. But there you have it, right? And if you put a string to it, it'll hang. The idea is if you haven't put a string to it, and I'll take this camera off here a second, is that you can sit it there on the card. So let me show it to you this way. So here you go. There's the idea. If you wanted, you can just display it on there on the card with it. You can also, like I did, is put a string on it, and then you can hang it. But there is the origami ornament that we included, right? And again, you can sit it right there on the card if you wanted to. Hopefully this has been helpful. If you have any questions, I guess you can comment on this video or send me a text and I can help you through it. But there you have it. That is the ornament that came along with our Christmas card. Happy holidays, everybody. Hope you liked it.